on this lesson, we're gonna make some variations of our buildings and create some houses and other colors. So first thing you see that is that now that I have my buildings here, I'm going to create a new one by going here, right click, transform, reflect, and you can toggle in here to have a little preview and make a copy. And as you can see how I have exactly the same building but facing for another direction, and this is going to give some variety. I'm going to change the color to this green, and I think that's okay, but I'm going to go inside this group to select these windows and change the color to this other blue. Something like this I think would work. Maybe we can do both of these a little bit darker, something like this. Now I'm gonna make a copy of this one again by going here, and for this one again, make sure that you select all your windows and group them and change the color to this darker red, change the color to this orange, and maybe this one, something like this I think would work fine. Now I'm gonna make a copy of this building but facing the other direction, so I'm gonna go right click, transform, reflect, and make a copy. Now that I have this building, I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna change this this darker one. I think it's working nice. Now I'm gonna make another copy of this one here, and all that you really have to do is just try to make more copies. So I'm gonna make another one here and change the colors to these orange ones that I've been using on this one that is on the bottom. So something like this. Now make sure that you select all the windows and all them with this blue color. No, sorry. And then I'm going to make another copy of this building here, maybe another one of this here, and I'm gonna make another variation of this one. But first I'm gonna put some like this. So for this one I'm going to use what I had here on the bottom, these same colors actually, and make sure that I am selecting that. So once you have your buildings in place, even though New York City is mainly buildings, you can also make some houses here on the top, because that part probably has houses, or probably here on the Ellis Island you can make a small house. And this is also very important that you know it, because maybe your city is not like New York City that has a lot of buildings. Maybe it has a lot of houses, so you have to make sure that you know how to make a house. So there are actually two ways to do it. The first one is go to the rectangle tool and create a square by pressing shift. Now all you have to do is go here to your pen tool or press P on your keyboard, and here on the center make a click, so you add a point there. Now if you go to your direct selection tool or press A on your keyboard, you can, while pressing shift, move it a little bit to the top. Now you have the shape of a house, and you can maybe scale this a bit. And this is a way of doing it, but also you could go here to your pen tool or press P on your keyboard, make a straight line by pressing shift, and then select an angle and make another line around there, or probably about here. Now that you have this, all you have to do is select this, go here to your tools panel and find here on the rotate you have the reflect, or you can press O on your keyboard. Make a click on the anchor while pressing Alt and Shift. You can make a copy that is 90 degrees. All you have to do is go to your direct selection tool or press A on your keyboard, select the anchor points and join them, and now you have the same shape of the house. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably actually use this one and change the color to this orange. Make a copy by pressing Alt and Shift, and all you have to do here really is go to your direct selection tool, press A on your keyboard, and move this anchor point here. Now I'm going to bring this one to front by going arrange, bring to front, change this one to the darker orange color, and now I'm going to go make a rectangle tool. I'm going to press M on my keyboard and do something like this. Now I'm going to select that red color, make another rectangle that is around this for a gate, and make sure that I align both shapes by clicking on that one and align them. I'm going to cut this shape by pressing Ctrl X on my keyboard, go here to this other part of the house, go here to the draw inside mode by going here right below where the stroke is. So I'm going to go there, and you can see how I have a dotted line around my shape, which means that now I am working, I can only draw inside the shape. Now I'm going to go here to edit, paste in place, or you can press Ctrl Shift B, and now you have a house. Now that you have your house, all you have to do is I'm gonna actually scale it a little bit and group it, and now place a couple of copies here. So maybe one here, and I'm sorry about that one, and another one around here. And just as with the buildings, you could change the colors to make them work better for you. So you could change this one to this, probably this one for that one, and something like this. So in the next lesson, we're gonna make some trees to keep populating our city. So see you in the next lesson.